Hello everyone, this is the second video of my AutoCAD training program. I think you can remember in my first video, I taught you the way of modeling and annotating this model. Today, I am going to teach you another beautiful 3D modeling which can be done using AutoCAD software. So we will go to today's lesson. Here also, I am using AutoCAD 2018 version. For that, I am using Civil 3D 2018. You know, in the Civil 3D, AutoCAD software has already been included. And when you open the software, you will come up with such a interface. You can see it here. And this is the today task. I will teach you the way of modeling and annotating this model fully. For that, first of all, prepare new drawing sheet. For that, click on this plus icon. Then you will have a drawing sheet like that, but that is a 2D drawing sheet. Then you have to go to this workspace switching and enable this 3D modeling. Then what should be done? Then go to this unsaved views and you have to turn on this SW isometric. Now it is okay. Then another thing has to be done. Go to this 2D wireframe method and better to make it as shaded. Now it is okay. Then we have to draw our model. I will show the dimension using this one. For further understanding, I will make this as 3D hidden. Now you can see the dimension very clearly. Actually, what is the existing dimension of our base plate? That is 175 in the length and 50 in the width and 10 in the thickness. Then we will draw this in our drawing sheet. Go to the drawing sheet. Then as usual, select this box type thing and specify the first corner. Then you have to draw the first corner. Here you can see it is showing our width and our length. First of all, you have to give the length. That is 175. Then press tab. Then you can give our width, that is 50. Now that is okay. Then you have to give the thickness. That is downward, this is upward. Since we know the thickness, we can give it directly. That is 10 millimeter. Okay, that is fine. I will show it again. 10 millimeter, 175 and 50. Then what should be done? Then we have to draw this circle. For that, we know our circle has been situated 16 units away from this edge. For that, what should be done? We have to copy this edge to this one and we have to draw the circle at the midpoint of that line. We will do it also. Come to this one. If you want to rotate, press on shift and mouse wheel, then you can rotate in an orbit view. Now it is like that. Then go to this copy edges. Here you can see copy edges and copy this edge. Press enter. Then what is the distance? You have to select the base point. It is here. If you can't see the end point, you have to turn it on in the object snapping. Here end point. Now it is okay. This is a base point. Click on it. And better to turn on this ortho also. Then you have to press 16. Okay, now you can see you have copied this 16 gap. Then what should be done? Then go to the center diameter thing. We know the diameter, that is 12, and select the midpoint. It is here. Then draw it. What is our diameter? That is 12. Okay. Then what should be done? Then we have to draw another circle here. Without wasting time, we can easily use mirror command here. How to do that? There's a thing called 3D mirror in AutoCAD 3D. Press on this one. Then you have to select the object. That is okay. Then enter. Then they are telling identify 3 points. How to do? 3 point is the axis of this mirror as a 3 point. That should be the mirror axis in a 3D way. Midpoint of this edge, midpoint of other edge and the midpoint of our thickness. Now that is okay. They are asking delete source object. We don't want to delete our source object, because of that enter this no. Now you can see our circle went there. Then we don't need this line. Then we will select this and delete it. Now we have only these two circles. Then what to do? Then we have to make this hollow part. I mean, we have to drill this circle. How to do? You know, there's a thing called press pull. Activate this command press pull. Then select, that is here. Then you can do it in a multiple way. Press multiple. Then select next one. Okay. Then press enter. Then you can drill it beautifully. Then you have to select the cutting edge. Okay. Now you can see we have two holes in our base plate. Then what to do? Then we will draw this part. Okay, we will draw this part. Now you have to measure the distance of these wedge. What is that? That is very easy. You can see here, that is 32. From here to here, that is 32. And you can see a filleted edge here. Without filleted edge, what is the distance between from here to there? That is 175 minus 32 minus 32. That is 111. It means 111. Then we will draw that. Before that, we have to go to this workspace and we have to select this face. We are not dealing with the 3D face. Now we have to draw along this face. How to make this activate? Come to this place and there's a thing called face. We will activate this one. Then I will select this face. Now it is okay. Accept it. Okay. Now we are drawing on this face. How to draw? That is very easy. Select the line that is here. Then you can easily draw. Better to turn this auto on. Then what is the distance of our line? That is 111. 111. Now make it okay. Now that is it. Then what is the height of our line? Actually, we don't need to complete this triangle. We want only this one. The reason is at the end of this 28 distance in the perpendicular to the 111, we have two circles. They are the circles with 25 diameter and 50 diameter. We will draw them. For that, go to the workspace again. Then select the line. Then you can see the midpoint. And here 28. Okay. Then select the circle. It is here. Center diameter. Then there are two circles. One is 25. Okay. And next one is 50. Okay. Now it is available. Then what should be done? Then do we need this line? We don't need. Because of that, I will delete this one. Then we need to complete this edge. For complete this edge, we must have this tangent object snapping. How to do? That is very easy. Select this line and better to turn this auto off since we are dealing with the slant line. Then select the endpoint, that is here. Press shift and press right click. Then you can select this tangent, that is here. Then you can see, make it okay. Then exit. Then again activate the line, that is here. Shift and right click. Activate tangent. And you can see it is here. Then what should be done? Now you have drawn the face. Then you have to make it 3D. What are the dimensions? We will see. Here, first dimension is 12. It is 12 in the circular part. Next one is 9. We will draw them. Very easy. Go to this place. And we have to go to the press pull. That is here. Select the part. Here, what is the distance? That is 9. Okay. Thickness is 9. Next one. Here, thickness is 12. That is very easy. That is absolutely very easy. Then what should be done? Then we have to move this into our base plate. How to do? You know the thing. Before that, it's better to make this object a unique one. You can see this is a separate object and this is a separate object. For that, I will go to this solid union command, then I will activate it, then I will select this one and this one, then I have to press enter. Now this is a unique object. Then I have to easily move this into my base plate. For that, I will select this move tool, then I will select the object, then press enter. How to move? Select this midpoint, then select the midpoint of your base plate. Here you can see our wedge got situated at the midpoint of our base plate line. Then we don't need this line. I will delete it like that. Then what should be done? Then I have to mirror this into the next stage. That is very easy. How to work on it? Select the 3D mirror, then select the object. Okay, then what are the 3 edges? That is this midpoint, next midpoint and the midpoint at the next face. Do you need to delete the source object? No. Now you can see both are available here. Then almost all the solid body is done. Then what should be done? Then you have to give the fillet edges. They are also very easy. Here you can see this is 9 in radius, this is 5 in radius. Before doing that, you have to make whole object 1. How to do? Go to this solid union, select next, okay, then press enter. Now you have to go to this fillet command, select the edge, okay, enter, that is 9, enter and enter. You can see it got filleted. Then you can do it for the rest. I will do it quickly. Done. Then what is the fillet of this edge? That is 5. For that I will activate the fillet, enter 5, enter and enter again. Now that is okay. 3 edges are remaining. Now our drawing is 100% complete. Then it is a matter of annotating. Before that, it's better to erase this line. How to erase? You can select and erase. Without doing that, you can select this solid object, then go to the isolate object, then hide selected object. Then you can easily delete these circles. Then again you can reveal the isolation. Now you can see your object there. If you need to make it in color, how to do? Select this, go to properties and go to color. Then you have ample amount of color. Here you can see if you need to have another color, so many colors are available. But at the moment I will remain in the block color. That is okay. Then I will do several annotations for you. I am not doing it fully. The reason is I described the annotation method in my previous video fully. If you need to get the absolute idea about the 3D annotation, you have to go to that video and you can observe it. Since I need to make this video complete, I will do several annotations with you. Prior to the annotation, you have to go to the annotate, then you have to prepare new dimension style. I will make this as my 3D. Okay, then continue. I will make the text as 2.5. Okay, arrows I will make this as 2. Okay, then I will make the primary units. I will make the precision as 0. Now that is complete. Right, then I have to go to the home. Then I have to select the face. how to select the face. Very easy thing. Go to the face. Now that is here. Think that I am working with this face. I have to make this enter. Now accept it. Then go to the annotate. I will mark the diameter of this one. Click on this and diameter is 12. Now that is okay. If you want to see this properly, you have to go to this 3D in one. Now you can see this very clearly. I will do another thing for you. Another one annotation. Go to the home. Select the face. I will select this face. Okay. Accept. Then go to the annotate. Select align annotation. I am going to mark this thickness, that is 10. Then I think you are having a good idea about the annotation. At last, your model will be like this. And this is very easy. If you are thinking that this 3D modeling is very difficult, that is a myth. That is very easy. One and only thing is you need to understand the basic. If you know the basics, this is nothing. Then I will upload so many 3D modeling videos for you. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my channel and you can share these contents on behalf of the knowledge increment of others. I will meet with another video as soon as possible. I am Madujith Sagar.